Welcome to Inside Concept Pro. How to set up email notifications to an administrator. Before programming your recorder for emailing, it's important to have the following information at hand. Firstly, make sure your MVR is sat on the network and is accessible over the internet. You will also need to know which SMTP server you need to use to handle delivery, including the authentication with usernames. This is in the form of an email address, the password, and the port number the particular server needs to use. To program the SMTP server, first enter Menu, System Setup, Network, Email. In here, select the server field name under Mail Server 1 and enter the SMTP address you need to use. An example of this would be smtp.gmail.com. Enter the correct port number for that email server, and if authentication is used, use the correct username and password. It may be wise to get this information from the customer, or at least have them tell you what their email address is, in order to decipher what server that particular email address uses to send. You will also need a valid email as the sender, and that it is authenticated by the SMTP server. For example, joeblogs@gmail.com would be using smtp.gmail.com. You will also need to know who will be receiving the email notifications.